AC board replacement guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Lower the Z-axis to a few inches above the heat bed. Carefully flip the printer onto its back to expose the bottom cover. Remove the 10 green highlighted screws and 2 red highlighted screws. Remove the Y-axis tensioner cover and use the opening to remove the front bottom cover. Take note of the cables we will be disconnecting from the AC board. Disconnect the MC-AC connection cable by releasing its locking tab. Disconnect the heat bed signal cable. For the heat bed power cables, pull back their plastic protection and use a tool to depress the locking tab and disconnect them. Disconnect the main power by first loosening the Phillips head screws. Disconnect the power module cables in the same way. Remove the 2 screws securing the AC board and remove the AC board. Align the new AC board and secure it with 2 screws. Connect the power module cables in the position shown and tighten their Phillips head screws. Connect the main power cables in the position shown and tighten their Phillips head screws. Close the protective safety cover. Reconnect the heat bed power cables and make sure their locking tabs click into place. Slide the protective covers back over the heat bed power cable connectors. Reconnect the heat bed signal cable. Reconnect the MC-AC connection cable. Install the front bottom cover. Install the Y-axis tensioner cover. Fasten the 10 green highlighted screws and 2 red highlighted screws. Carefully flip the printer back onto its base. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.